Okay, just talk a little bit about assess your team's performances here in these two 7-on-7s. I guess the first game was sort of a shootout, and both defenses struggled a little bit. But the second game looked like your offense just sort of had some good moments.
Yeah, it's 7-on-7, so we're out here working on a certain number of things, and it's competing in technique. Thought the boys did a pretty good job of that. The first game was a real physical, pretty emotional game, and the kids kind of really battled back from being down, gave ourselves a chance to win. And in this last game, we got a lot of extra guys in to get some reps. So, we're treating these as practice, and the boys are really working hard.
I noticed that when Austin stands in the pocket and throws the ball well, with velocity, and you guys certainly got some speed at receiver with Blaine and some other guys. This offense has the potential to be pretty prolific when it's hitting on all cylinders.
Yeah, and we think our skill kids, the guys that are out here today, are very athletic, and we've got some speed. Austin understands the offense, and I think he'll be real good this year at running the offense. Boils down, when we get into pads, it's a different game. It boils down to the boys up front, and that's really what we're focusing on.
Yeah, talk about. With a guy like Blaine, how do you? He's so fast. I saw him run a 4.4 140 the other day at the Eastern New Mexico camp. How do you best utilize a guy with that? Who's that
We've
fast?
got to get creative in ways to get him the ball. We got to play to his strength and get creative and get the ball in his hands a little bit. Try to get him in open space and where he can use his speed.
I know it's certainly the first game you've had some concerns about defensively, but obviously it's 7-on-7, it's wide open. Is there anything you're concerned about defensively? Also, it's all things that you can coach up and work on.
A lot of things we can coach up and learn on. We've got a rotation that goes through every series, and we're whittling it down, trying to create a depth chart. But right now, everybody's kind of equal on the depth chart, and we're just, we're trying to create competition with that.
So where does Volcano go from here now? What's the rest of the week like? You're going to next week now.
Same. We're off tomorrow, and back to work on Monday.
Thanks, Coach.
Appreciate it.